A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Stay at home and keep washing your hands again and again. Always do exercise regularly. Exercise help you to keep you fit and fine. अगर आप रोज एक्सरसाइज करोगे तो आप हमेशा फिट रहोगे. Okay kids, let's start our English class, and which is our topic, phonetic sound of A. Today we will learn some new words with the ending sound of M, M. आज हम कौन सी साउंड लेंगे? M, M. Let's see the pictures related with the sound of M, M. This is burger. You all like it, but we call it ham. Ham means ham जो होता है ना, non-veg burger होता है, and it has so many layers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 layers in ham. This is ham. And what is this? Jam. You all like to eat bread jam. Let's read the word jam. J-A-M, jam. You all like to eat jam. Jam has so many flavors. Ma'am. Ma'am, like me. Ma'am means teacher. Teacher, teach you. Like me. And what is this? There is river. What is this? This is dam. Dam. Dam is made on a river to control the flow of water. जो डैम होते हैं ना, वो रिवर के ऊपर बनते हैं ताकि जो रिवर का पानी बहुत तेज आ रहा होता है तो उसके फ्लो को थोड़ा सा रोक लेते हैं ताकि कहीं भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी ना आए. अगर कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आ जाता है तो क्या आ जाती है? फ्लड आ जाता है. तो व्हाट इज द वर्ड? डैम. Let's see, this is sheep, but it is male sheep, so we call it ram. Let's read the word again. Ham, jam, ma'am, dam, ram. Now let's take out your reading book. This is your English reading book. Let's open the page number 8. We will start reading. This is the word ending sound M. Ham, dam, ma'am, and jam, ram. Let's revise the previous words also. Ma and a man, F and a fan, K and a can, P and a pan, B and a ban, R and a ran, T and a tan, and V and a van. K at a cat, H at a hat, R at a rat, M at a mat, S at a sat, B at a bat, F at a fat. These are the words with the ending sound of at, and these are n. Let's read the word with the ending sound of app. Ma app map, t app tap, na app nap, k app cap, sa app sap, g app gap. And these are the words with ending sound of ad. P at a pad, ma at a mad, d at a dad, b at a bad, sa at a sat, and l at a lad. Okay kids, you will read these page and make a video of your while you are reading and send it to your class teacher. Bye.